First, take out of all items from the package. The package includes monitor, solar backup camera, bracket, cigarette lighter adapter, USB power cable, Type-C power cable, adapter, antenna, manual. Attach one of the antennas to the camera. Mount the other two antennas on the monitor at the same time. There is a protective film on the display which can be removed before use. Turn on the camera by pressing the power button on the side of the camera. The first indicator is the charging status light. The remaining three are power status lights. All of the remaining three indicators are on to indicate that the camera is fully charged. When none of the indicator lights are on, the camera enters standby mode. The camera base is made of super soft rubber and super magnetic. You can attach it to any metal part of your vehicle. Flexible camera angle adjustment. Package comes with camera charging kit adapter and Type-C cable. Connect the other end of the Type-C cable to the charging port on the side of the camera. Plug one end of the Type-C cable into a power outlet in car USB car charger home plug. When the camera is charging, the first light will come on, and the color is red. When the camera is fully charged, the charging indicator does not light up. Align the stand with the holes on the back of the monitor and snap it in. Push up firmly to fix it. Remove the protective film from the bottom of the bracket. Adjust to the right angle and place it on the dashboard. Press down on the bracket to expel the air and pull down on the buckle to fix it. After adjusting the angle, tighten the nut. You can also mount it on the windshield. Press down on the bracket to expel the air and pull down on the buckle to fix it. After adjusting the angle, tighten the nut. Connecting the cigarette lighter adapter to the display. Plug the cigarette lighter into the cigarette lighter outlet. Press the red button. The red button lights up. The display lights up and the image appears on the screen. Connect one end of the USB power cable to the monitor. Plug the other end of the power cord into the vehicle's USB socket. Press the power button on the USB power cord to quickly turn on the monitor. The display lights up and the image appears on the screen. Touch the power key to turn off on the monitor. Touch the fifth key to open-close the guideline. When H appears on the screen, Touch left and right key to adjust the height of the guideline. Touch the fifth key. The W appears in the screen. Touch left and right key to adjust the width of the guideline. Touch the fifth key. The M appears in the screen. Touch left and right key to move the guideline left and right. Touch the OK key to switch the camera channel. Touch the second key to enter the menu mode. The first icon is used for pairing signals. Ignore it when there is an image. Touch the left and right keys to switch to the picture, and touch the OK key to confirm. Touch OK key to select. Icon turns red. Touch the left and right keys to adjust the brightness, and touch the OK key to confirm. The icon turns yellow. Touch the left and right keys to switch to the contrast, and touch the OK key to confirm. Touch the left and right keys to adjust the contrast, and touch the OK key to confirm. Touch the left and right keys to switch to the HU, and touch the OK key to confirm. Touch the left and right keys to adjust the hue, and touch the OK key to confirm. Touch the second key to return to the main menu interface. Touch the left and right keys to switch to the mirror flip, and touch the OK key to confirm. Touch the left and right keys to select the mode you need. Touch the second key to return to the main menu interface. Touch the left and right keys to switch to the system, and touch the OK key to confirm. You can switch to the language you want and restore the factory settings. Touches the second key to quit the menu mode. Press OK key to switch to the correct camera channel that needs pairing signal. Touch the second key to enter menu mode. Touch the OK key to enter the pairing countdown. Press the power button of the camera to turn on the camera. The blue status degree lights up. Image appears in the screen. Pairing is successful.